Dear students, today we are going to read lesson 1, that is Father's Help. It is a beautiful story which is written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is an Indian English writer. So, before we start our lesson or our story, now we know something about the author R.K. Narayan. You see the picture R.K. Narayan, and R.K. Narayan is one of the leading figures of early Indian literature in English. So, he is a noteworthy writer of Indian English literature. His date of birth 1906, and from his notable works include Malgudi Days and The Guide. So, he wrote many stories, many novels, and among them Malgudi Days is an important book. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1958 for The Guide. For the novel The Guide, he was awarded the most prestigious award in literature, Sahitya Academy Award, in the year 1958. And he also wrote many other novels. Okay, so this is the introduction of the author. Now we start our story. The story is an edited excerpt from Malgudi Days. So the story is taken from R.K. Narayan's most noteworthy Malgudi Days. And the story is about a young boy called Swaminathan. Swaminathan, or in short Swami, who is unwilling to go to school. So here in this story we see that Swaminathan, a child, a young boy like you, who is very unwilling to go to school, but is forced by his father to attend school. So he is very unwilling to go to school, but his father, who is very strict about discipline, about maintaining education, so by forcing his father, he attend the school. The story explores how, through the events that follow, Swami's original reservations about his teacher Samuel and naturally or gradually get transformed considerably. So, through this story, we also get to know that how, through the various events or through the various incidents, Swami's original reservation, Swami's original thinking, original thought about his teacher Samuel, how it gradually transformed into a very friendly teacher. Okay, this is the introduction of our story. Now we start Unit 1 of the lesson, Father's Help. You all see the textbook and listen to my words. Now we start the lesson. Lying in bed, Swami realized with a shudder that it was Monday morning. Lying in bed, that means lying in a very cozy or comfort bed, Swami understood that with a shudder. Shudder means shaking of body caused by fear. So getting fear, Swami understand that it was Monday morning. So the morning was Monday. It looked as though only a moment ago it was Friday. Swami thought that only a minute ago it was Friday. So Friday was their last school and Saturday and Sunday were holidays. So Swami thought that it was only Friday, but in really it was Monday morning. Already Monday was here. So how from Friday to Monday goes on, he can't understand. Goes on so easily or so quickly that he thought it was again Friday. He hoped he didn't have to go to school. So he wished that he would not go to school that day, that Monday. He thought it in his mind. At 9 o'clock, Swaminathan wailed, I have a headache. So, when the clock strikes at 9 a.m., Swaminathan wailed, Swaminathan cried out that he had a headache. So, he just pretends that he had a headache. Mother generously suggested that Swami might stay at home. Mother, naturally, just like your mothers, they are very sensitive to their child. So mother generously suggested, mother told that Swami should stay at home. At 9:30, when he ought to have been in the school prayer hall, Swami was lying on the bench in mother's room. So when the clock strikes 9:30, that is 9:30 a.m., when Swami should attend in school prayer, just like your prayer in 10:40 a.m. So in Swami's school, 9:30 the prayer was arranged. So in that time when Swami ought to have been, that means Swami should be present in the school prayer, Swami was lying on the bench in her mother's room. So at that time, Swami was lying very lazily in her mother's room. Father asked him, have you no school today? So when Swami's father saw him that he at 9:30 a.m. when he was lying in his mother's room, father get anxious and he wanted to know, you have no school today? Headache, Swami replied. Then Swami answered that he had a headache. Nonsense, dress up and go. But father could not believe in his words, so he scolded his son Swami and told, idiot, fool, now put on your dress and go to school. Headache. But Swami, he never wanted to go to school that day, so he pretends again that he had a headache. Loaf about less on Sundays and you will be without a headache on Monday. So when Swami pretends or Swami complained about his headache, father told that loaf about less on Sundays. Loaf means move around idly here and there. So father advised Swami that move around less on Sundays and then you will be very fit in body in Monday. So Swami knew how strict his father could be. So Swami now understands that father is not so tender or not so sensitive like mother. So it would not be easy to get him understood that he did not want to go to school that day. So he changed his tactics. Now Swami changed his tricks. Tactics means tricks. He then told, I can go to so late to the class. Then Swami told his father that it was already very late, 9:30 already over, so he can't go to school or go to his class so late.